Daniel in at number 4. Whips that away. Lovely shot, little half volley, roundabout leg stump. It's exactly what you want as you arrive at the crease.
This is why I wanted to see him in earlier. He was in at the beginning of the 3rd over anyway, but he's got such quality about himself. Ball slightly over pitch straight away. Takes advantage of that.
Full toss, just a punch. And a good stop as well. 3 overs gone, 11 off that, and a wicket right at the top of the over, 19 for 2. Dragging that on the onside, just for 1 though. Tidy over, 3 from it, 4 overs gone now, 22 for 2.
Patiently. 25 for 2 then.
On the ball is very good.
Chipped in the air. And they will beat their best power play with that boundary off the last delivery. So power play done, 35 for 2.
Was bowling full and straight. Shavon Daniel using the crease, using his feet. Comes down the ground. He knew that it was the last ball of the power play. Went for the maximum.
And see there that Shavon Daniel decides he's going to go all the way and does.
He has been very, very impressive. Shavon Daniel, whenever he has walked onto the pitch, he has looked really good. Takes the calculated risks. They are chasing.
In this heat, we're in air conditioning here. Bit of relief underneath an umbrella, but that's about it. That is the view.
And the idea is that to get your net run rate going. Nice hard hit. That's a boundary. Why I said hard hit, there is a player.
Now this is a strong shot. You can see he's purposely forced it in front of the fielder at cow corner to get the boundary. These two are going along very nicely now. Victory within sight. Just about to say that. I think it's rather early.
That's runs. It's 4 of them. That's a bad ball, and it's nicely put away by Shavon Daniel. They look like a team with a purpose today.
Yeah, this takes him to 49. Shavon Daniel, you don't want to be bowling at his legs. Very strong.
Probably Shavon might like to hit it. Quick run, misfield. That's how you put pressure on the field inside the circle. 50 up for Shavon Daniel. Second 50 in the PJL for him. And now he's just 5 runs away to be the highest scorer in the tournament.
Yeah, it goes with his 80 in the first match. Continues to show just how good a player he is. Oh, that's gone in the air. And taken. You can see the celebration running in from long off. Shavon Daniel looked like he was trying to go over the bowler's head. And looks like he might have done himself no good here. Hassan Isakhel.
Yeah, he's taken the catch. He's dismissed Shavon Daniel, but he's hurt his thumb. Isakhel. You can tell by the reaction that the catches that weren't taken. They probably could have had the Raiders in a better position than this. But Shavon Daniel, brilliant knock, and goes for 50. 106 for 3.